So welcome back, my dear friends. It's gonna be the synonyms of letter B. We are talking about all the synonyms, and they are paraphrasing alphabetically. It's second day of this exercise, and this is very comprehensive and useful exercise. It's gonna help you a lot in all modules of IELTS: listening, speaking, reading, or writing. And particularly, we are talking about those words जो कि इस्तेमाल हुए हैं वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस प्रीवियस एग्जाम्स में, उनको हमने सॉर्ट आउट किया है और उनको निकाल के आपके सामने पेश किया है, सो दैट यू मे अंडरस्टैंड कि क्वेश्चन में कीवर्ड्स कैसे हों, तो किस तरह के वर्ड्स जो है वो पैसेज के अंदर पैराग्राफ्स में लिखे हुए टेक्स्ट में अवेलेबल होते हैं, कैसे कोरिलेट करना है उनको, मीनिंग्स को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सिनोनिम्स का पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो इस एक्सरसाइज को हम फर्दर बढ़ाएंगे आगे। और बिजनेसेस, कंपनीज, बीनीथ, अंडर, ब्रीफ, शॉर्ट, कंसाइज, ब्रॉड, वाइड, एक्सपेंसिव, ब्यूटिफुल, gorgeous, graceful, elegant, pretty, lovely, attractive. Begin, start, open, initiate, commence, based on, modeled on, brave, gorgeous, fearless, by, wire. Next words are busy, occupied, build, construct, big, enormous, huge, gigantic, vast, large, great, bright, intelligent, knowing, quick-witted, smart, shining, shiny, brilliant, buy, purchase, best, finest, blend, combine or mix. Be put together, be composed, be allowed, be entitled, beautiful view, breathtaking, wonderful, picturesque. So the next words from the next page would be beautiful, attractive, gorgeous, good looking, base, foundation, brave, gorgeous. Brave, courageous, I beg your pardon. Be predicted to, be expected to. Be impossible, cannot. Building, construction, before, prior. Because, since. Be given priority, preferential. Believe, trust, accept. Be successful, to prosper. Be fortunate. Barren, unproductive, infertile, below, under, lower, beneficial, helpful, useful, advantageous, become troublesome, interfere with, before, prior to, brain, mind, be able, be capable, be qualified, ban, prohibit, forbid, before, prior, earlier, beginning, start, initiate. I haven't shown you the words below, so you can find these words here. You can take the screenshots if you like for preserving these words or for saving these words, important vocabulary. Be raised, be lifted, become aware of, realize. Boundaries, frontiers, body language, gestures, beautiful, pretty, attractive, lovely, bloom, flourish, bones, remains, beyond the point where land is visible, out of sight of land, birds in temperate climates, temperate zone birds, build and construct. My dear friends, alphabet B के words तो हमने यहाँ डिस्कस किए हैं. आई मीन आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द वर्ड्स, कौन से वर्ड्स और उनके सिनोनिम्स कौन से हैं और कौन से जो है वो वर्ड्स को पैराफ्रेज किया गया है. But apart from this exercise, you will just learn how to pronounce these words. The pronunciation is also important in speaking. Pronunciation अगर आपका fine होगा, so it's going to give you additional marks in IELTS speaking. Speaking 4 modules पर 4 उसके actually points हैं जिन पर आपको marks मिलते हैं. Fluency, pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary. So vocabulary, you're getting it from here, and you know, if you will keep on reading these words again and again, practice करेंगे तो आपकी fluency भी बढ़ेगी. और vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation, जब आप इनको pronounce करेंगे the way I'm pronouncing them, so you will also have additional quality of pronunciation. लेकिन basically हमने ये text से जो कि previous exams हुए हैं IELTS reading के, उनसे वो words की phrase की words लिए हैं और इनके synonyms आपको बताएं. So my dear friends, I hope this would be very useful exercise for you guys for all 4 basic modules of IELTS: listening, speaking, reading, writing. Thank you very much. Gonna see you in another exercise uploaded later on. God bless you all. Take care and stay tuned.